Welcome to a brand new series, Ice Timber Trucks. These truckers ain't normally truckers. These ain't afraid for anything. They put their lives at risk every day when they get out in these trucks, and anything, literally anything can happen on these treacherous roads. Many drivers has lost their lives. Any day would mean disaster.
Yeah, my name is Jim Bob. I'm the owner of this company with my son, Jim Bob Jr. And we're currently running an operation with 65 trucks in all. Mostly doing timber transports and various flatbed operations too, here in the local area. Yeah, that's what we do.
Yeah, well, I'm Jim Bob Jr. This is the sawmill. Here's just some of our trucks and trailers, and we're trying to keep it plain and simple here. We are currently having about 65 trucks, and sometimes it's hard to keep track on what they're doing and what they're not doing. Sometimes I have to jump in and drive if there's some problems or something, and yeah. We try to maintain our trucks here, do some maintenance and various small services that we can do ourselves. Like now I'm just gonna check that everything is okay here. Looks pretty okay.
In this episode, we continue to follow Timber Bear where we left off.
Okay, we're loaded up. And the fog got worse, so I'm gonna try to back out of here without causing any accidents. I can't see where I'm going because it's so foggy. And of course we get a car right behind us. I can see the tail of my trailer. That's interesting. It's gonna be a nice ride back to the dispatch office.
To go out on the road in these kind of conditions could be very dangerous.
We have some pipes and crates. Okay. He seems to have a car right in front of us. Let's go slowly. This is very heavy load, so truck is not really responding well to my... Oh, this is gonna be a tight squeeze. I don't think this is gonna go well tight. Yeah, maybe. No, I don't think this is gonna work out. Now it's too late because we have already started. Well, no, I don't think this is gonna work out at all. Oh my fudge cake. To try to reverse ourselves out of this position now. It's gonna be very hard. Of course, starts with problems. paper effort there. Oh, a little too much. No problem. Yeah. Straighten her up. Try again. I don't see what I have behind me, so I should probably go out and check. I don't see a darn thing. Are we moving? I don't know. It's going well? I don't know. I can't see. And the clutch temperature too high. So I guess we have to cool her down before we continue. Otherwise we're gonna burn her up. No. Okay, let's cool her down.
If he does not cool the clutch down, he could destroy it, and that would be the end of his run.
Looks like the clutch has cooled down a bit. So, let's do this. As I said, today it's very foggy. So, being out in this weather isn't very smart. Oh, we have a tight spot over here. I think we go straight ahead. I really regret this now in an instance. I don't see a damn thing. And the fog can last so long here. It can last an entire day. Yeah, I've got a message there. I don't have time to read that now, but this is very dangerous. And we got some shaking. What happened? Are we in the ditch? Or is it the clutch? I don't know. Come on. It's probably just because it's a heavy load. Yeah, this is doable. I wonder why the snowflakes is coming through my windshield into my cabin. Maybe I have some windows rolled down. And we should turn left somewhere over here. This load is so heavy. Wait a minute. Just a minute. I think we stay on the highway. Oh, here's the sharp turn. Intersection here. Turn left over here. Don't think we have to put her into the first gear, but where's the traffic at today? Now I do have to check the map. Let's go without it.
To drive in high speed in no visibility conditions is extremely dangerous.
kind of maybe. Oh, there we did have a car. And the fog is very dense. It's not getting better anytime soon, I think. And I'm driving like a maniac. We should slow down a bit here. Or speed up. It's very soupy. I think we should turn left quite soon. Oh my god! Oh, that was a close one. Oh my holy Jesus Christ! Oh my god! I gotta call 911! Oh my god! What's your emergency? Oh my god, it's a truck on the side of the road. It has tipped over. I don't know if the driver is okay. Please come quick. Okay, where's your location? I can actually see it on your phone here. Okay, we send a car. Thank you.
Few moments later. The emergency responders are quickly on site and manage to pull Tim Bear out of the truck. He escapes with minor injury. He is lucky. This could have ended badly.
Okay, we're gonna try to disconnect the trailer from the truck. This is pretty bad. So we're gonna try to see if we can get it upright. If we manage to squeeze in here between the truck and the trailer and disconnect it from the fifth wheel, that would help a lot. Let's see, yeah, like that. Maybe we can pull it loose. I'm stuck here between now. Billy boy, can you pull me loose? I'm stuck between the truck and the trailer. I'm gonna try to winch it up right here. Gonna try to attach a winch to the tow truck. Yeah, and pull it upright. That's the plan. Okay, we only got one shot at this, so let's make sure we do it wrong. I mean, right, of course.
The authorities wants the road opened as soon as possible.
Oh, that wasn't good. Where could we attach this? Maybe there. Oh, we got it right away. Ooh, that went pretty well. I have a powerful winch on this one, I can tell you. And they were lucky. Not a scratch. Oh, we have bent. Yeah. Actually mirror, but this is so small. They can actually drive it from here without problem. Oh, but damn. Let's move it. Save distance. See if she starts. Then we have done something right. Yeah, she starts. See if she runs. Okay, we're gonna try to pull the trailer upright. Hope for the best. Guess we can't really do that now. It's not powerful enough. Wait a minute. Further away. I'll get more traction. Maybe if I position myself behind the tree over there. Come on. Or a bit downhill, maybe here. Oh. Try the old-fashioned way. Yeah, that's the way it's done.
They almost got it upright. Then it tips over to the other side.
No. Come on, rise up. My god damn it, what a stupid asshole I am. Wait a minute, maybe? Maybe I can push it. Okay, we managed to get the trailer upright. Let's position the truck underneath it. Yeah, the truck is back on the road. The load has been reloaded. And I need to go home and fix my own towing truck and wait for next call. Shouldn't take too long because it's very slippery outside today.
The truck and trailer is being towed to JB Timber's garage.
Okay, honey, I have to go now. I have to go and check. I just tow the truck back to the garage. I have to go and estimate the damage. I haven't seen it yet. Yeah, I don't have time with you. You have to go now. Oh my god. I don't know. I just heard that he's released from the hospital, so that's good. That's the main thing here. You always focus on safety. That's why we use these trucks we use. They're quite safe. I'm a little baffled about this. Let's see what this damage is. We should go and take a look at the truck. Do a drive-by checkup. Come on. What the son of a... Come on. What did I drive over now? Am I actually stuck in my backyard? No. Why isn't the wheels turning? Well, problem after problem after problem. Should be here somewhere parked. Oh, we don't want to crash into it. Definitely not. We're gonna see, just check the trailer, looks okay. They reloaded the load. Wow, I'll be damned. Looks like it's brand new. Oh, this isn't gonna be a big problem. No, Todd can fix this in no time. Yeah, it's just some bent car, some rails and steps and a mirror. Maybe $40 worth of damage there. It's not so bad. Could have been a lot worse. Oh, I'm always a bit on edge when things like this happens. It's the last thing you want, is to have your trucks involved in an accident. So, I'm a bit upset, yeah. But I guess it wasn't so bad. Well, I guess I have to do the delivery myself, since we're short on drivers right now. Okay, the crates go to the remote village, the pipes and the steel go to the sawmill. Okay. I don't have time to rearrange this. Yeah, I really should though. But you know what? I'm gonna unload the crates first. Ah, I should talk to Bob about the mirror and that. I need to fix that first. But I guess I can connect the trailers, disconnect them with this one as it is, and then take the timber bear's truck. Okay. I'm not sure if we need all the differentials here in the yard. It's quite much snow, I haven't had time to blow. I was at home with my sick cat, nurturing it back. Okay, so disconnect them. Damn it. Disconnect the trailer. Oh, it would be very dumb to leave it here in the middle of the driving. If someone comes driving here, then I need to be an idiot to figure out what they're gonna do and drive straight into it, of course. So we moved the whole side of the road here in the deep snow. At least have to clear about that. I'm not using these double trailers. It's more like timber bearing. Employees, headaches. Okay, let's go on disconnector. Todd! Wait! Can you come here and fix the mirror while I'm disconnecting the trailers? Okay! I'm here with everything right here.
Jim Bob Jr. shouts to Todd that he have to come and fix the truck, while Jr. disconnects the trailers.
Okay. Todd is a very good man. You can put him to do anything except trucking. He tried once, but I think we pulled him 4 or 5 times up from the ditch. And that's when I figured it's better he just stays in the workshop. That's his place actually. Let's see, did I disconnect that now? Now I'm not sure anymore. Did he fix the mirror? Let's see. Yeah, he did! Okay, let's disconnect this, put it to the side, and we'll worry about this later. Yeah, I disconnected. Nice. Let's just put it over here in the deep snow. I like getting my feet wet. I get to try out these new safety shoes I bought for myself. Intention was to give every driver their own pair, but I have to test them out first. So, let's see who's the lucky bastard who gets my sweaty shoes. Okay, let's just disconnect this. What is it today? Ah, it's the deep snow. It's sinking down into the deep snow. For the best. Dream about the worst. Yeah, there's several to go. Let's go and dump this real quick before it gets too late. Oh, no steering. Oopsie, what did I do? I don't know. Oh, I can't read any messages now. Now let's go and see the remote village. Can't be that hard. But I didn't bring my link trailer because I figured it might just be more problems to bring that along. And we don't have time to go to the sawmill anyways. Are we stuck?
Even though he is the boss, he manages to get stuck himself.
Is it my support legs? Can I beam that down? If any of them, it should be me. Any stupid mistakes. Yeah, it actually is. Let's raise them. I forgot that totally. Ah, you can see I'm not doing this too often.
He forgot to raise the support legs.
No one get hurt, except my landing gear maybe. Okay, now maybe. Maybe we could actually try to... No, not in the heel. Let's get it rolling. Come on. Yeah. I guess they are. But I'm gonna stay in the differentials all day, I think. That was a bad start. I almost don't want to do this anymore. Should send my guys. But when you're short on guys, you have to do it yourself. Oh my god. We really need to install the anti-lock braking system in this. Damn. What? Is it actually a road here? Oh my god. Well, I guess speed is key. Oh. Now we're on the bigger road. Woo! Now here's the village, so we're really close now. Come on, 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 come on. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Yeah, you did it. And here's the garage. We'll deliver the crates. I'm gonna try to back her in so we don't stand here in the middle of the street. Now you see why I don't do this myself. Because they usually end up breaking more than making. Oh, I forgot about the house. Now we're stuck. Oh. Yeah. This was... Oh my god, did I just bang up? Thought it's gonna kill me. Hi. I have a problem.
Oh, is it you? Are you driving yourself? What have you done?
I managed to bang the cabin into the house over there. And now I'm stuck and my steering isn't working. And I have these crates for you. It should be 16 crates for you. But I have a bit of problem here.
Oh, I can see that. Well, no problem. I fix your truck and we unload that. Maybe from where it's standing right now.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, that took on my pride actually. I'm not proud of myself right now, but oh, I even banged up the door. How convenient. Oh, no I didn't. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this and see what happens. Oh, thank you for fixing the truck and moving the steel coil to the middle of the trailer, because I wouldn't have made it even 1 feet from here without you doing that for me. So thank you, send the bill to my office.
Yeah, we will. You make sure that we will.
Yeah. Still not really happy about this, but whatever happened, happened, you know. That's why I'm not too hard with my drivers if they don't do something really stupid. Now we're gonna see that I don't do anything stupid myself. Are we connected? I don't think so. I would actually have loved it if they had moved it. A bit more to the front of the trailer, but I think that's gonna be okay. So, just go in and have a talk with them. Oh, there's a snowman here. And then we continue. Oh, 16 coffee cups later. And a lot of bullshit. Very nice guys. Oh my god, it's so dark. And I have left my lights on. Will it even start? Yeah, thank god. Okay, let's go. And the snow has increased too. Oh my, this is not gonna be fun. Partly it's gonna be fun, but partly a living hell. Okay. Where did I come from? Was left somewhere. I don't remember. Here! I'm driving way too slowly. I don't dare driving fast. It's so hard to see. Am I on the road? Is this what my guys is dealing with? I really should get better lights for my trucks. This is ridiculous. Oh, I can't even see the road in front of me. Where did I come from? Let's speed up. That's always good. Was this the road? Did I come from here? I don't know. Don't ask me. I'm just trying to... Is this actually a road? Or is it more like a ski trail? I don't dare gear up, I don't dare gear down, I don't dare... Oh! I see the road! Hallelujah, I see the road! Now I'm not gonna watch if anyone is coming. Got it. Yeah! I made it, we're on the asphalt. Now I don't remember how far I drove before I took the drive. Before I should take a right turn. Oh, it's snowing, I can barely see anything. And we got an oncoming here. Oh, it's slippery too. Did you see that? The way the lights were reflecting on the asphalt shows it's very slippery. Where is my depot now? Is it... Where are we? Should I use the map? Oh, is it this one? I don't know. Is it? I think it might be actually. Soon home, soon home. Oh, need to convert. Otherwise I'm gonna end up in the ditch again. Let's not tell Timber Bear that. Let's gun it. If this is the wrong road, I'm gonna leave the truck and walk home. Now there's the depot. Yes! Oh! Jesus. I made it. Let's just park this, go home and drink a hot cup of cocoa. Oh! What did I do? Probably not. Yeah! And that was an adventure. Tomorrow we're gonna rearrange, so we put the iron pipes that we have on the trailer, or the link trailer, we're gonna arrange it so we put that in front of this trailer and move the coil back once so we can deliver them to the sawmill. But now it's late, I need to go and change underpants, and yeah, this was interesting, it really was. Oh my god. My guys driving their trucks, they are amazing. They do this every day, almost without problems. So hats off for them, they are amazing. I'm just gonna say it. This was hard, this was one of the more exciting nights I had for a long time. Let's just leave this be here, and I just have to do some small office work before I go home to my loving wife and 6 cats. Yeah, that's probably that.
As always, you little rascals, thanks for watching and liking.